Hey guys, what is up today? Today I'm gonna be doing will you press the button? So our first question is you will become a successful journalist. You will die of natural causes at the age of 34. Um, I probably won't because I don't think I want to be a journalist, but no, I will not press the button. Uh, wow. Sure, I like to. Every online membership is free, but Internet Explorer will be the only browser you can use. I guess it really matters because Internet Explorer really isn't that bad, so I guess I'll press the button. Yeah. Some people, agreed with me. But anyways, kill people with your thoughts, but if victim figures out your power, it will be a backfire onto you. No. No, I don't like killing people. Uh, you will be extremely rich and powerful, and you will have magnificent facial hair for the rest of your life. I don't really care because I'm kind of a girl about facial hair, so, but you will scream everything at the top of your lungs like a stereotypical Russian man. Uh, that doesn't bother me, so, yeah. Yeah. I didn't really care about the facial hair part, but anyways, you prevent your best friend from losing his life in a tragic accident. But yourself die a year later. Uh, I guess. Yeah, I like my friends. Um, you become the sexiest person alive, but your IQ drops 20 points. No. Sure. Telepathic connection to your hard drives and internet can be perfect run digital programs in your mind, but the open view of any file. But you're a mute. No. Really?
Wish is a top shopping app helping tens of millions.
Ads. Become a musical artist and make millions. I wish I'd make billions. Every song you make features Miley Cyrus post work. No. No, I won't. Even though I like singing and stuff, no. You can have every single game in the world, but you become Brad Travis, terrible at games. Yeah, I'll press the button. Okay, it's like I press it and everyone else disagree with me, but then I don't press it and I don't press it and everyone agrees on the other side. Oh god. Ability to survive in any environment, extreme temperatures, space, underwater, etc. You can only be naked. Oh well. Yeah, people. Stop with the ads. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, what is that? What is that? No. Okay, I didn't even get to answer that one. Whatever. But become an expert at the video game of your choosing, but always look and sounds like you are 12. Well, I kind of am 12, so and plus, um, Yeah, I'm gonna just press the button. And plus, looking like you're 12 is kind of makes you young. I'm sorry. That's probably bad. You create a pizza everyone loves and you get famous for it. But you also run McDonald's. But you also ruin McDonald's. Wait, is that run? No, ruin. Sorry. I'm not good at spelling and seeing. um, yeah, because I don't like McDonald's. Yeah. 88% had pressed this and only 12% did not. Oh man. You return to the Wombo to reborn again with your current known legend and the ability to speak. But once you reach 60 years of age, you will be reborn to different parents in the current year. This continues for all eternity. I will not. Okay. You get to push a shiny red button. Nothing actually happens. I will not. Okay, I disagree. Okay. Alright. I was trying to make that funny, but I failed. I didn't make a funny. You have the world's fastest computer with the best graphics, but you must use Bing. Bing is not bad, so yes, I will press. Don't care about solitaire. Don't care about solitaire. Don't care about solitaire. Bill Gates dies and you inherit his money, but you lose both of your hands. No replacements. I will not. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Sorry if I'm like not talking because I have a drink right here and I'm taking drinks from it. But you gain a known legend in one subject you want to pick, but you lose all knowledge in one subject. You don't get to pick. I guess I'll pick. Yeah. Yeah, people agree with me. Yay. You can eat whatever you want and not get fat, but you never get married. Okay. I will not because people might think you're icky. You will become a millionaire and everyone will envy you, I think, but you can only have with people over the age of 86. I will not. Yeah, people agree with me. You get a middle class payroll for doing nothing, but you can only leave your house for 1 day every year. I guess I would. I always make bad mistakes, man. You can look in the future, but no one will believe you. Yeah, I don't really care what people think. You can gain power to become invisible, but your pants every time you do it. I will not. You will be a drop-dead gorgeous girl. Yay. You are mentally challenged. Oh well. Really? Okay, I think I'm actually gonna leave the video here. But thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like and a comment down in the comment section. I will now be trying to keep up with my schedule and but tomorrow and Christmas it might only be a video tomorrow and maybe only a video on Christmas. I'm not sure, but yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Bye.